Hi, welcome back to another episode of Showroom Steals. I'm Caroline, and today we're doing something a little different. We're talking about a fun kids decor trend called a calm corner. Having an on-trend home doesn't have to come with heavy sticker shock. Showroom Steals is all about breaking down the latest trends and providing tips and tricks to get the same look in your home for less. Every caregiver knows that with kids, the whole house pretty much belongs to them. So much so that getting them to play in their own parent-approved kid spaces seems nearly impossible. Why play in their own room when they've got the whole house to explore? But there are a few ways to get a child engaged with their space. Make it feel special, let them help you design it, and let it be unique to their interests. Enter the calm corner. Just like any room, a kid's room has zones. A place to sleep and a place to play are essential, but so is a place just to chill out and have some space for themselves, away from grown-ups and siblings. A calm corner makes use of a corner of their room or playroom, and is a fun place for them to have some quiet time. If you choose the decor wisely, it will work beautifully with the furniture and storage in the rest of the space. Another perk of the calm corner is how easy it is for busy parents to assemble. For young kids, it can be as simple as a few oversized pillows on the floor and a basket of books and sensory toys. As kids grow up, it can be filled with a bookshelf, a comfy chair, or something different like a play tent. One of the best ways to get your kids excited about this calm corner is to get them involved. Start by figuring out your own budget and narrowing down the choices to a few decor options that you like, then ask your child which ones they want to see in their space. Once you've got the main pieces, add in some decorative touches like a soft blanket, some of your child's artwork, and a favorite lovey, and even some playful garlands. Not only will this help your child learn to decompress, but it also fosters positive feelings about their bedroom and personal space. Here's how to get started creating your own calm corner. Start from the ground up. If you have hardwood flooring, find a comfortable high pile or faux fur rug that can be layered over the existing rug in the room. To make this work with the existing rug, let the smaller rug be an accent. Don't worry about trying to exactly match the larger area rug in the room. Make it feel different on purpose. As an optional step, if your child is old enough, consider investing in an accessory that turns the whole spot into their own secret fort. A play tent or even an old cardboard appliance box with windows and a door can make them feel like they're in their own little world. Add some more softness. What's cozier than a pile of pillows? Oversized throw pillows can act as a pillow or a cushion to lay on for little kids. If they love to read, consider a backrest-style pillow with armrests. As your child grows, think about upgrading to a hanging egg chair, a cozy armchair, or a beanbag chair. If your child is little, use small bins or baskets to help hold their books and age-appropriate sensory toys. Baskets make it easy for kids to clean up after themselves without help. Now it's time to add accessories to personalize your calm corner. Hang your child's artwork, add in some stuffed friends, include a small clip-on light, or string up a strand of lights. Repositionable clear hooks make it easy to hang and adjust string lights or garland. Don't forget to include your child along the way. It helps them invest in and want to use the space. Accessories often cost less than larger furniture pieces and are great items for your child to oversee choosing. Don't let creating comfortable and stylish home decor stop at kids' bedrooms. Include them in the process and bring them to Lowe's. While we can't promise that toys and craft supplies won't end up all over the rest of your house, a calm corner is a helpful tool for parents to have available. Let us know in the comments what you're including in your kids' calm corner. Like and subscribe to our channel and tune in for more show-stopping design and DIY ideas. See you next time.